In this video, let's discuss several commonly used camera movements. Learning this kind of lens language can help us better analyze a film and make our own video more immersive and striking. If you're into this, keep watching. The main camera movements include push in, pull out, zoom in, zoom out, and the following methods. These camera movements are accomplished by moving cameras, while these belong to fixed camera movements. We've made a series of tutorials explaining different camera movements. You can click on the upper right to watch these tutorials. Camera movement is more than moving up your camera. It's the language of cinematography and it's primarily used for narrate, convey emotion, reveal space, help the audience view something in more detail so they can better understand what the director wants to emphasize. Push in and zoom are frequently used for this purpose. Moving a camera can direct the audience and help them understand the point of the narrative. Similarly, in a tracking or tracking shot, the camera moves alongside the subject, which can also highlight the point. Some frames in a film are created for reviewing a scene. Pan and tilt can help the audience fast and better know the aspects of the scene and paving the way for the next plot. Aside, we can do ARC to restore the details of a scene. We can also use tracking or tracking shots. They are accomplished by moving the camera alongside the subject. The director can keep the integral of the storytelling while directing the audience to understand the scene. Many films use push-in shots in the opening and use pull-out shots in the ending. These movements can help the audience build the connection between the whole and the part. ARC and whip pan are also two awesome camera movements that can be used to express the establishment or changing of the character's relationship. Push in and pull out are often used in films, create suspense or arouse expectations. Usually, they're followed by unexpected plot twist, or the main character finds something or makes some decisions. In some films, directors use track shots, which are accomplished by making the camera follow the perspective of the audience. It works well to create a sense of suspense about what is about to happen. Plus, director Hitchcock loves using zoom-in shots combined with a few editing techniques to create suspense. When shooting vlogs in daily life, it can be difficult to control the types of camera movement. In this case, we can use video editing software like VideoProg Vlogger to fake camera movements. When we select a clip on the timeline, click here to enter a motion editor. There we have so many presets to choose from. Therefore, faking different camera movements. Simply click on them, and they can be applied to your clip. Adjusting the position of the keyframes can help us tweak the outcome more precisely. If you want to learn how to use the motion editor step by step, just click on the link in the upper right corner. Well, this is all for today's video. In the next video, we're going to discuss camera movements that invoke emotion. Don't forget to tune in. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProg Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!